The Hindu, Friday, August 2, 2024. States have right to sub-classify SCS for quotas. Top court. MUDA scam. Governor told to withdraw notice to CM. Hampi temples monuments flood as discharge from TB reservoir rises. Hardin Belmont excused for issue life threat to his former employee. Kumaraswamy does a U-turn, agrees to participate in BJP's Padantra. Friday, August 2, 2024 is the center being in questions in the state transfers. The gnawing problem of restricted access. Ford has Corvus flesh food week have in Himachala. Railways will soon add 2,500 general courses, says Minister. Opposition targets central overwrought leak in Parliament seeks discussion. Sports news. Swapnil Kushaver overcomes the Gitals to shoot down India's third bronze medal. I will come back strong, Ors Likha after a throat defeat in pre-quarter final. Rescue operations continue in Wayanad. Karnataka government to withdraw notice used to CM in MUDA scam. A verdict on the money bill that India awaits, propelling the UK and India story. Newspaper is over.